back at Rahimi. Here's what we did this week.
My name is Yoon. I'm new to the robotics team this year. We got to work on the robot this week. We added a camera, and we got to work on the major light on top of the robot, and we added mini bumpers to the robot so that the boxes wouldn't get stuck underneath the robot. Then we went and adjusted the lift, which was giving us issues previously, and then we then proceeded on to testing and driving, making sure that everything was working.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and tune in next week.